Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is FIKKRI bin Zainal FIKKRI. My MATRIC number is S57879. So on this video, I will represent my internship journey at Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd, Sungai Buloh. I was assigned at Marketing Department as a Sales and Marketing Executive. My internship period is 6 months, started 16 August 2023 until 26 January 2024. So, on the presentation, I will cover a company background, so analysis, systems, experience and skill, problem encountered, and conclusion. What is Samling Housing Product? What is Samling Group? So, one of the largest timber firms in Malaysia has become Samling Timber Malaysia. Upstream and downstream integrated timber operations make up the majority of their activities due to the Samling Timber Malaysia's consistent emphasis on its core capabilities, dedication to sustainable development, and expansion into new market. The company has seen exceptional success over the past 50 years. At Samling Timber Malaysia, we manufacture a wide range of products, including sound timber, veneer, plywood, HDF door, flooring and furniture at our timber production facilities in Malaysia. We are continuously upgrading our manufacturing capabilities to deliver high quality product with greater expediency. Our commitment to innovative manufacturing solutions lead to greater efficiency, zero waste and high quality products. Our vision is to be a leading global corporation in our core business. And our main mission is we aim to deliver superior financial returns to our stakeholders while serving as a responsible steward of the environment and a beneficial partner to the communities in which we operate. At Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd, Sungai Buloh, we have many departments, namely Marketing Department, Project Department, Admin, Human Resources, Financial, Quality Control, Warehouse and Production Department. In my part, I get a position on the Marketing Department where my main work scope is to make sales and meet the needs and wants of customers. Now, let me look at the SWOT analysis for Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd. Strength can be interpreted as the internal strengths of the organization that can lead to good or benefit to the organization. Among the strengths of Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd are: first, we have good quality products. Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd indeed has quality products which are Frontiera brand doors. The door produced is a high density fiberboard HDF door which has a density of 1000 kg meter cubic, while others company only produce MDF doors, which have a density below 750 kg meter cubic. The resulting door is a fusion of two skins combined into one door. The quality of this company's doors depends on their own door skins. Their door skins are made from tropical hardwood trees, namely acacia trees, which are moisture resistant, durable and fungus-free. In addition, Frontiera doors can also be used as bathroom doors. In addition, Frontiera door will go through a quality check process so that customers are satisfied with the products that have been delivered to them. Secondly is skilled workers. Having skilled workers is also a strength for this company because custom-made doors ordered by customers, no matter how big the door is ordered, their workers can do it. Interestingly, Frontiera doors are painted using human power, which is manually, and this technique requires workers who are skilled in the field of painting. Next, Samling using high technology machine. This is said to be so because skill produced using direct form technology compared to other companies that only use press form. The use of direct form technology makes the skin produced have a deep overload and makes the density of the door high so that there are no pores on the surface of the door skin. In addition, the Frontiera doors use a finger joint that makes the door not easy to warp. Furthermore, Samling use technology from Masonite, which is Samling's collaboration with a technology company in the United States. And last, have affordable price. The price for the products sold by Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd are indeed affordable with good quality, moisture resistant and fungus free. Buyers don't have to worry about their doors getting damaged. In addition, this product is said to be affordable because the user does not need to repaint the door that has been purchased, because our company has provided an undercoat during the sale and the buyer can paint their door by only using 1 liter of paint only. Now, let me look at the weakness of Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd. So, first is not enough brand recognition. Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd flagship products, namely Frontiera, is indeed of high quality, but their products are not well known in the market, perhaps due to lack of exposure to online promotion methods, due to the lack of creative advertising in social media such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Second is poor time arrangement for production. This is due to the high door demand. Many door requests need to be complete. However, there are some customer orders that become slow and delayed due to this situation. Sometimes, customer order is late beyond the time it takes for the shoes to be complete. Because this happens, many customers become angry and unsatisfied and can cause the company's reputation to suffer. This happens because the company has less workers, especially skilled workers in the spray line. Ordering a custom-made door with paint requires skilled workers due to the process of painting the door manually. Next is lack of skilled workers. Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd indeed has skilled workers. However, the required skilled workers are still insufficient. This will affect the process of completing customers' orders, especially custom-made doors orders. Non-profit companies are not looking for skilled workers, but finding skilled workers is very difficult nowadays. Now, let me look at the opportunities. First, can expand the target market by doing offline and online marketing simultaneously. Effective advertising, promotion, and marketing methods can further increase consumer awareness of Frontiera doors. Recently, as an intern student, I became a storyteller or influencer on TikTok application and received a good response. Next, can implement loyalty program. Frontiera doors are known for their quality and affordable price. So, it's no wonder why more and more consumers are interested in changing their doors to Frontiera doors. Due to receiving many orders from dealers, Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd can start a loyalty program for their dealers, either through promotion or increasing the payment period from 30 days to 60 days payment period. Next, can reaching new market. The probability of users to change the door of their house is due to the fact that the door of their house has problem with door expansion. The door is not durable and the door is easy to move. Nevertheless, Frontiera doors does not have this kind of problem, which makes when the salesperson approach the customer to buy, they will definitely be interested in buying the door Frontiera doors. Next, can expand product worldwide. Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd's Frontiera doors have indeed been sold abroad, such as the United States, Singapore, Brunei, Indonesia, and others. This is because Frontiera doors have international quality that can be used all over the world. Therefore, due to its guaranteed quality, I am confident that Frontiera can increase its sales worldwide. Lastly, let we look at the threats. Tough competition. Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd has challenges in terms of competition where there are many competitors in the market. Competitors are able to sell those at a cheaper price than the price offered by Samling. This is because the materials and manufacturing process of competitors' products use of materials of poor quality in terms of raw materials and machines. However, Samling use high density fiberboard HDF compared to the competitors only using medium density fiberboard MDF, which causes the price of competitors to be cheaper than Samling. Secondly, easy to imitate. Samling's door design is easily imitated by competitors, causing customers to be confused as to whether the product is a Samling product or not. However, every Samling door has the trademark M, which is Masonite. Throughout my industrial training at Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd Sungai Buloh, there are many SOPs and systems that I have learned. I was placed under the marketing department. Nevertheless, colleagues, managers and other staff also gave a lot of exposure to this company, especially exposure to each department at Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd. There are 3 systems that I have studied at Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd. First is the place order system. The system is an important system for a marketing executive. Through this system, a salesperson can know the beginning of taking customers' order until the end of the process, which is the delivery process. This system is also very important because the manager can find out whether the customer has a bad debt or not. If there is a bad debt, the customer need to pay the debt first before placing an order. This can avoid losses incurred by the company. At the start of the system, the salesperson need to get the order from the customer by getting the required info and specifications. At the same time, the salesperson also need to offer the price to the customers. Next, the salesperson need to prepare a sales order. The sales order is very important for the purpose of confirmation by the manager. The third process is to request approval and signature from the manager before confirming the customer's order. The manager will first check the customer's debt status. If passed and confirmed, the salesperson need to send the SO to the admin, and the admin will fill in the details into the system. If the order is a custom-made order, the order need to be made sketch of the door specification according to the order received. Next, it will be sent to the production department to be managed until the last process, which is the delivery process. But the problem with this system is that the salesperson cannot know the status of their door order, whether the door is still in the production line or the door is still in the spray line. So, when the customer asks about the status of the door, the salesperson cannot give the customer an accurate answer. In addition, the problem that arises is that sometimes the order exceeds the time that need to be complete, which will cause customer to become angry and dissatisfied with the service offered. Furthermore, the issue faced is that the customer has bad debt. This will make it difficult for the customer to place order in the future, and even the company will suffer loss. This is because there are customers who are given a credit payment period of 30 days but pay the debt beyond the period that has been given. So I will propose solution based on the system. There are 2 problems with the sales order system. That is the problem of the customer having bad debts and the problem of the status of the order that cannot be known. For the first problem, this problem may be solved by making an agreement in writing, which is to make a credit contract, which is black and white when taking orders, which is in the first process, where the agreement letter has complete information about the company, customers, and get the signature from the customer. This may reduce the problem of customers having bad debts because they have a black and white agreement in writing. As for the second problem, what I can suggest is where the company Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd can perhaps install the Internet of Things (IoT) and use a more organized system that can be accessed by all departments, especially for the marketing department, project department, management, etc. Using IoT may be able to know the status of the door being processed. In addition, it can also make it easier for the production department to design the door completion period that should be complete according to the time that has been set. In fact, the use of IoT can also find out whether the existing stock is sufficient or less than the minimum amount. This can reduce the waste of storing a lot of stock and reduce door damage. The second system is visit and mileage record. It is the duty of a marketing executive that is a salesperson to visit customers to get info, ask how they are, collect payments and get orders and so on. However, the travel distance requires capital in terms of toll, fuel and vehicle mileage. Therefore, every destination the salesperson goes to need to be noted and recorded for claim purpose. But they also have a problematic appear on system. The problem that often arises when the salesperson want to visit the customer is when the salesperson has reached the destination but the customer's shop is closed. Sometimes, when the salesperson has arrived at the customer's place to collect the payment, but the customer has not yet opened the check, so it has to be collected on another day. This will cause the salesperson to come back to the customer's store on another day and will also cause the company to pay more for their mileage claim process later. So the purpose solution messages is salesperson should contact the customer first before going to the customer's destination to find out the status of the whether the customer store is open or closed on that day, and tell the purpose of the salesperson arrival to the customer's store. As an intern student who already has experience like this, I have faced this issue and the solution is to the contact customer to make an appointment and confirmation with customers. The third system is claim process. After recording the toll and travel mileage for a month, the sales executive need to prepare a mileage claim report in the staff claim form, where the form needs to be filled in the distance traveled from the one destination to another and needs to be filled in with the amount of toll payment along with proof. For example, the toll receipt available through the Touch and Go e-wallet application. The form also has the salesperson's signature and confirmation from the manager to be sent to HQ. But the problem faced through this system is that the salesperson is late to get the claims made. This will affect the salesperson's income when they want to carry out these duties, especially when they want to go outstation that is outside the local market, outside from the KL and Selangor, to go outstation. Definitely requires quite a lot of money because the outstation period is for 5 working days. When this happens, of course, the salesperson cannot go to the outstation due to the lack of capital. To propose solution, one solution that can be done is to set a deadline for either the salesperson or other staff who want to make a claim. Through this method, managers can send report to HQ quickly and get claims sooner. If there are staff who are late in sending their report, for example, beyond the set time period, in return their claim will be postponed to the next month. This cannot only increase the staff's sense of responsibility, but can also increase the morale between employee to work because they get early mileage claims. Now, let me look at the experience and skill learned during industrial training. So first is communication skills. Communication is the exchange of information and emotions between two or more individuals. Communication skills are very important in the marketing department. This is because the marketing department at Samling Housing Product Sdn Bhd needs to do sales activities to customers. Good communication skills can explain to customers about products well, where customers can understand the information presented more clearly and accurately. Communication skills can also attract customers to listen to what I want to convey to them. Next is interpersonal skills. Being strong, friendly, connection with teammates and colleagues. Being productive at work and successfully completing team tasks or benefit from interpersonal skills. The advantage of having interpersonal skills might impact our teams, department and all division morale and productivity. Interpersonal skills can also bridge the relationship and cooperation between all departments in the company. Next is negotiation skills. In the world of sales and marketing, negotiation skills are very important. This is because these skills can influence the customer's mind and can persuade the customers to buy the product being sold. Negotiation skills have method and ways according to the situation. The use of these skills emphasize the concept of give and take or win-win situation. For example, if the customers buy a product that is sold for more than 100 pieces, then I will give an additional 10 pieces those for free with term of credit 30 days. Next is multitasking skills. Multitasking skills are very important when I conduct industrial training in this company. This is because I not only have to do sales and marketing to customers, but I also have to check whether the order from the customer is ready or not. I also had to do admin tasks such as marketing customer sales orders. I also need to ensure that the doors ordered by the customers are ready according to the promised date. Next is storytelling skills. In my opinion, storytelling skills are very important as a marketer and salesperson. This is because the storyteller need to explain all the information clearly to the audience so that all the information presented can be accepted and understood. Not only that, the role of the storyteller has to make the audience not feel bored with the story of information to be conveyed. In addition, the skills are also need to be able to persuade and influence the audience. Next is problem encountered during industrial training. So the first is wrong key in sales order. Second is no further action or information after given instruction. Next, hard to communicate with Chinese customers. And lastly, I'm not alert with work or assignment that have been given by managers or colleagues. In conclusion, I learned a lot of new things and gained a lot of new information, and my manager has given me confidence in assigning me work that is well above my expectation. What makes me excited is when my manager asks me a lot for my opinion, even though I am only an intern student. At the beginning, I was a little bit awkward when I was in the world of industry. Not to mention that I was the only intern here. But the kind and friendly attitude of the staff and workers here made me comfortable to be here. What I have learned during my time at Samling Housing Products Sdn Bhd, to not be shy to ask any work-related questions. The workers here are very generous in providing guidance and knowledge. What I can say here is that there are too many differences between the world of work and the world of study, where during industrial training, there is a lot of exposure to the real-world professional situations. I was able to improve my communication skills and learn how to be a good salesperson. Not to mention, in this day and age, where many job opportunities are available in the sales department, I hope that in the future, many companies open up opportunities for university students, especially to try to experience the real world work. This is because industrial training is extremely useful before students enter the workforce so that they are mentally and physically prepared. Okay, this is my pictures during my industrial training. So thank you everyone. Bye-bye.